everybody. Today I'm going to cook a chicken afritada with chicken sausage. Let's start with butter, garlic, onions, soy sauce, brown sugar, breadcrumbs, sausage, chicken sausage, tomato sauce, potatoes, red bell pepper, and of course chicken. And I have here the salt and pepper to taste. So let's start cooking. Start with the oil. I'll put a lot this time because I'm going to fry the potatoes first. Why is it that I am frying it? So it will be my garnishing later on. At the same time, I will be mixing it. I will just make this one as French fries. Okay, set aside these potatoes, and the next thing you'll do is to fry the chicken. I like frying the chicken so that it's not so stinky. After putting the chicken, you can put already the tomato sauce. The soya. And 2 cups of water. And then put already the sugar.